So descending order means from the largest number to smallest number. Okay, children, from the largest number to the smallest number means in the numbers order, the first number is the larger number than the second number. So the smallest number is present on the last in this order. Okay, children. See one example for this question, for this descending order. Okay, write this in a descending order. Write this order in a descending order. Descending order means from the largest to the greatest, from the greatest number to the smallest number. So among these numbers, which number is the greatest? First of all, we have to discuss this highest place values. Highest place, these numbers are tens place. Ones place and tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones tens, ones tens, ones tens, ones and tens, ones and tens. So ones tens place is the highest place. So which number is present? Which number have highest tens place value? Then that number is the largest number. So among these tens places, which number is the highest? 3 is the highest because 3 greater than 2 and also 1. So 30 is the first number and 30 greater than, and next highest place is 2. So 2 is present in 20, 26, 25. In this case, we have to go to next highest place. What is the next highest place? Ones place, because it is the last place. Ones place. In ones place, which number is highest? Then that number is the largest number. So here 0, 6 and 5. In 0, 6, 5, which number is greater? 6. So after 30, 26 is greater than and 25 greater than 20. Now these three numbers. Among these three numbers, one present in tens place. So same. Then go to next place. Ones place in ones place. Which number is have highest value? 19. Greater than 18. Greater than 14. So this is the descending order. 30 greater than 26 greater than 25 greater than 20 greater than 19 greater than 18 greater than 14. So one thing we have to remember is which number has the highest number of digits, then that number is the greatest number. See here, 54,321, 6,522. Which number is greatest means in this number we have 5 digits and in this number we have 4 digits. So 5 is greater than 4, then 54,321 is greater than 65,220, 6,522. Okay, children. Here we are comparing digits by using digits, not space value. Here 5 digits and here 4 digits. That's why 5 is greater than 4. Then 5 digits number is greater than 4 digits number. Okay, children. Like that we have to solve the remaining problems. Okay, children. See this problem. Arrange the following numbers in the descending order. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order, means from the largest number to the smallest number. See here in this number how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this number 5 digits. In this number also have 5 digits. In this number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits only. These are 4 digits and 4 digits. When compared to these 5 numbers, these 2 numbers are greater than these 3 numbers. These 2 numbers are greater than these 3 numbers because these 2 numbers have highest number of digits, 5 digits, and these 3 numbers have 4 digits only. So these 2 numbers are highest numbers, greater numbers. So compare these 2 numbers now. Compare these 2 numbers now. In these 2 numbers, what is the highest place value? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 10,000 place is the highest place. So which number have highest place value of 10,000? So when you compare these 2 numbers, here 1 is there and 2 is there. So 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. So 20,000 is the greatest value. 20,649 is the greatest value than 30,570. Okay. Now Now compare these three numbers because these three numbers are 4 digit numbers. These three numbers are 4 digit numbers. Now compare these three numbers separate. So in these three numbers, highest place value is thousands place. Then compare these three numbers now. When you compare these three numbers, each is a different number. 5 is here, 5 is here, 8 here, and 9 here. Among these three numbers, which number is greater? 9 is greater. So next greatest number is 9011. When this number also completed, now compare these two numbers. In these two numbers, which number is greater? Here 5 and here 8. 8 is greater. So 8888 is the next highest number, and the remaining number is 5890. So this is the descending order. Descending order of these numbers. So descending order is 20,649 greater than 30,579 greater than 9,011 greater than 8,888 greater than 5,892. Okay, children. Okay, children. See the second question here. First number is 5,04,692, 3,94,688, 4,35,999, 2,49,608, and 3,76,073. These five numbers are given. Among these five numbers, we have to find the greatest number, and next greatest, and also the smallest numbers. So compare these five numbers now. In this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. And this number also have 6 digits. This number also have 6 digits. This number also have 6 digits. And this number also have 6 digits. Now each number has 6 digits. So number of digits in the number are equal. So then we have to go to the highest place values number. So highest place value is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 1000, lakhs. Here also lakhs place is the highest place. Here also lakhs place is the highest place. Here lakhs place is highest and lakhs place is highest. Okay, now compare each and every numbers lakhs place now. In this 5, 3, 4, 2, 3. 5, 3, 4, 2, 3. Among these five numbers, which one is greater? 5, 3, 4, 2, 3. Among these five numbers, 5 is the greater number. So 5,04,692 is the greatest of among five numbers. So 5,04,692. This is the descending order. Children, 5,04,692 is the greatest number. Then next greatest number is among 3, 4, 2, 3. Which number is greatest number? 4 is the greatest number. So 4,35,999 is the greatest number. And next greatest number is, these three numbers are remaining. 3,09,400, 3,94,688, 2,49,688, 3,76,073. These three numbers are remaining. So among these three numbers, which number is the greatest? In lakhs place. In lakhs place, 3 here, 2 and 3. So 3 and 3. These two numbers are equal in lakhs place. Then go to next highest place. What is the next highest place? 10,000 place. So this place we have to compare now in these two numbers, because in lakhs place same number we have. So 9 is greater than 7. So next highest number is 3,94,688 greater than 3,76,073 greater than the remaining number is the last number 2,49,680. So the descending order is 5,04,692 greater than 4,35,919 greater than 3,94,688 greater than 3,76,073 greater than 2,49,608. Okay, children, I will give some homework problems now. Okay, children, do these two problems as homework. Write these numbers in descending order.